Safety Training Seminars in Morgan Hill. Our address is 17760 Monterey Road. There's plenty of open parking here and in the rear. Once you find parking, make your way to the second floor where you see Suite C. Once you get to the top of the stairs here, Suite C is immediately to your left. Enter the code that's provided to you on the keypad here. Come inside. Make a right. Go down the hall. Unit 3 is where Safety Training Seminars is. Once again, enter the code here on the keypad. Enter the testing room, log in, and begin your RQI skill test.